Hello! I love woolen dreadlocks. I used to have real dreadlocks, but you can't just take them off when you get tired. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make detachable woolen dreadlocks. And I'm going to use also other kinds of strings that make a similar effect and look super cute. You can use all kinds of ribbons or shoelaces. You can attach it to a hairband, hairpins, or a hair hoop. The flowers are just for decoration. Let's get started. To make the dreads, I used unprocessed felting wool. This one is colored, but it doesn't have to be. We need some water and a splash of dish soap. Mix it all together and sink in the wool. Make sure it's really damp and bubbly and start rolling. This takes a while. At first it will be uneven, so try to roll the dreadlocks a bit more in the loose parts. You should be able to get a nice, evenly round dreadlock sooner or later, and you can combine different colors. Leave it to dry. I found an old striped one that will do fine for today's project. I used the shoelace to combine with it. This is my favorite color combination. Blue and purple along with pink also represents Be Pride. I decorated the lace with thread, stitching a simple pattern. I used multiple strings of thread to make the pattern more visible. To put a thick thread into the middle hole, you need a single thread string, make a loop with it, and insert the loop. Put the thread inside the loop and pull it through the hole. I made a simple whip stitch, alternating on both sides of the shoelace. But the pattern really doesn't matter. It's the color contrast that really makes the effect. I will hopefully make a DIY video about simple stitch patterns in the future. Then I broke the pattern by coating the shoelace with thread completely. Just wrap it around tightly. Here's another one, black instead of purple. I used hot glue to stick it all together. I wouldn't recommend using translucent silicone because it looks just like very visible glue, and also in time it may become yellowish. I didn't have purple, so I used blue silicone. Remember the big pin from earlier? I just snapped the plastic off it. Cut a scrap cardboard to match the size of the pin. This protects the pin from sticking to itself. It would be useless if stuck together. Arrange the pieces as desired and start sticking one by one. And don't press it with bare fingers like I did. Later I remembered to use another pin to do that because the glue is very hot. Then cover it all with a single layer of glue. Don't miss any spot. Once dry, I got rid of the excess just by cutting it with scissors. Of course, the glue got stuck on the cardboard on some parts. I used little scissors to separate them. Once separated, it just comes off. But be very careful not to stab yourself in the finger. You may use almost any thin metal stick to do that. That's it. With another shoelace, I used a silky ribbon to make cute bows on it. I made the simplest bow and just pull it around a little to look as even as possible. I made a knot under it to keep it in place. Same red ribbon I decorated with little rubber hairbands. Just put the ribbon around 2 fingers, insert the ribbon in between and place the band on the desired place. But this can be painful, so instead of fingers, you could use 2 pencils or paint brushes or chopsticks. The procedure is just the same. You can attach multiple rubber bands at once, but be careful not to put them too close together, because you could tangle them all together and then get nervous and just want to throw it all away. I attached those to a hair hook. I burned the end of the cut shoelace to stick the end and keep it from unbraiding. This only works with plastic-like laces. If you have natural fiber laces, you should add a little bit of hot glue to close the lace. I just tied all the 4 pieces to the hair hook. Then I covered the protruding strings with hot glue to hide it. Fake dreadlocks for a cyberpunk look or a cute anime-style hair hook. Or you can just use it to play with a cat. Have fun, take care, and ciao ciao!